Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video I will be talking about that I built this Socket.io Zoom clone kind of an application where multiple people can chat with one another. So you can see that this is video chatting kind of an application, Zoom clone. So this is basically the interface right here whenever you open localhost 3030, and this will open it inside. This is actual interface. Here you just need to enter your name to actually create a room here. So after you create the room, guys, you will actually get your room ID. So we are actually using the concept of rooms inside socket.io to actually create this WebRTC Zoom clone kind of an application in Node.js and Express. You will actually need to invite people, guys, using the room ID that it has allotted you. So this room ID you can simply copy to clipboard, simply click the copy button, and now you can easily invite people as well. So as I open this URL in the next tab, so you can just share this room ID, guys, with your friends. So anywhere they can enter this URL in another browser tab. And instead of hosting the room, you can need to click this second button, which is join meeting. So you will click the second link here, and now you need to enter your once again your name and then the room ID that it has provided you. Simply paste that room ID, click on join meeting. So now you will see that, guys, two persons are simultaneously talking to one another, and they are actually connected to each other. And simply as you see inside Zoom clone as well, Zoom application as well, multiple people can video chat and audio chat one with one another. So you can see how easily we are connected with each other using the concept of socket.io and WebRTC in Node.js and Express. And this you can do this for multiple people. There is no limit out there. You can open this URL unlimited number of time, and simply join meeting. And let's suppose I want to join a third person here. I will simply paste this one, join meeting. So now you can see three persons are connected with each other and they are simultaneously talking with one another. So if you need the source code, guys, of this application I created, the link is given. You can directly purchase it from PayPal in United States dollar, or you can go to stripe.com and purchase the source code in Indian rupees. Both the payment links are given in the description of the video. And let me show you some more features of this application, and you can even text chat with one another as well. So here in the text widget area, let's suppose you exchange messages here with the username that is written right here. So with the username that in all the windows right here, if you see, the messages will pop in. So let's suppose I enter some message here, you will see this message appearing right here. So you can see that. So simultaneously the messages will come, right, guys, you will see that. So in this case you can do this very easily. And now if you want to leave the room, you can also individually stop the video as well. Let's suppose you don't want to show your face, you only need to audio call. You can click this option to toggle your video. If you want to mute yourself, there is also this option. You can even mute your microphone. Let's suppose you don't need to listen to you can need to mute yourself. You can even do this also. And then if you want to leave the room, you can even leave this meeting. So simply click leave meeting, and only now two persons will be remaining right here. So in this case, you can see that if you want to also leave meeting, just click, and now you will see that this person is disconnected. Now only one person is remaining. So this is a nice little application, guys, with the very easy interface, and the source code is given in the description of the video. Let me show you what you will get after you purchase the source code. You will actually get a zip file which will actually contain this source code. And here we are using the dependencies. Let me show you the dependencies we are using. We are using EJS, which is a template engine. We are using Express server, which is used in the server side. And we are using peer library just to make connect different peers together. Peer is actually a library. We are actually using socket.io to actually connect to make the Zoom clone, to actually do the video calling and audio calling and text chatting application. We are using this library. And lastly, we are using UUID to actually generate random room IDs for creating, whenever you create a room, a random string will be generated. So this we are using UUID. Apart from that, we are using room.js. It's a single file that we are using for creating the interface. Then we have used the custom CSS, and this is our JavaScript code for the socket.io. So this will you will get, guys. After that, whenever you are connected, you just need to go into the directory. First of all, npm i. So this will install all the Node.js modules required for this application. And after that, you just need to run this application by invoking the command npm start. So this will start our Node.js server, Express server at localhost 3030. So you will be connected. You can open that application in the browser. And first of all, just create a room. Click on host a meeting, and now you will get a room ID. Then you can basically invite people by copy this room ID, and you can open this anywhere in the world, guys. You can email this or WhatsApp this room ID to your friends. So whenever they open the address, obviously you will be deploying this application somewhere else so that they can reach you. And this time you just need to join the meeting with that room ID that you got. So now you will see two people will be connected with one another. You will see that. So two people are remotely connected to each other, and they are actually video calling and audio calling. They can even exchange messages as well in the chat window. This is a really awesome application, guys. So if you are wanted to purchase this, the link are given in the description of the video. I will highly suggest. You will actually get the concept on how to develop these kinds of application. So it is coded inside Node.js, Express, and JavaScript. And let me show you the libraries. We are using PeerJS, which is a simple peer-to-peer WebRTC library, which is used to connect different clients with one another. And then we are using socket.io library. It has its own website. Very good documentation is there. You can read the documentation, and you can develop real-time applications such as these applications, Zoom clone, chatting applications, something like this. So if you're interested, guys, the links are given in the description. You can directly purchase the full source code of this application. And please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.